email marketing is not dead. Let me tell you, my friend, if you still sending emails manually, you should check out Sendfox. Check out the email that you sent me. By the way, if you're not happy with your email marketing service, check out Sendfox. They make it extremely easy. This is not a sponsored video. I pay for Sendfox, by the way. I love when systems, so software, make my life easier. In this case, this email that they send me once a week says, using your best and most recent content, we automatically draft an email campaign for you. And if you click here and the button, it takes you to this smart campaign. If you can see here, it says smart campaign. I'm going to click there so you can see basically what they collected, and they pre-filled the information with the videos and blog posts that I created based on adding my RSS feed. And you can also add your YouTube channel and multiple RSS feeds. This not only is an efficient way to, this task needs to be done, but you remove the, you should not have to remember to do things. I love systems that remind you because it clears your mind. It clears my mind to do other things. And if you can see here, I'm going to show you exactly what I will do. So I will say, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste. I'm not going to use the doctors, doctor in social media. I'm just going to do weekly update for this week, today's date. And I'm going to remove some of these. There are many reasons why for some doctor. I'm going to remove some of this text and I'm going to show you. I'm going to go through this again real quick so you can see at the end. At the end, what I'll do is you have an option to, when you click send, you can schedule to a later date, or you can click send now. And let me reset that because I'm not ready to send. But I want to show you something. Sendfox is, you can sign up for free, or you can do what I did when I signed up for the lifetime plan, which is $50, not monthly. It's a single payment because the email delivery is a little bit better and the branding is a little bit more reduced. However, you can choose to pay an extra $10 a month, which is extremely inexpensive compared to other services. I'm still using Aweber, MailChimp, and I've been testing other marketing system, email marketing system like Sendfox to see which one I like the most. It's a disadvantage. I don't recommend everybody doing this because that means that you have some emails here and some emails there, etc., etc. However, I'm enjoying the experience with Sendfox. And it's very simple. Once a week, they send me this email and I go through it. And basically what I do is I'm going to remove this one. And I go through it and I pick the here, boom. I'm going to delete that one. So I have a couple videos and normally I even see here. Here's a full conversation. Okay. And there you go. I just deleted that. It's send an email update with the latest and greatest. Just a reminder, it's a good way. This is an excellent way to catch anybody that missed your content, that is signed up to your email list, to have a concise way that they can scan and say, okay, I'm interested in this, and click. And you can measure these click-throughs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send I'm going to pick the email list. So as you can see, I'm going to pick here which ones are, actually, I'm going to do these ones here. That's it. And clients. And I'm just going to click send now. And that's how easy it is to send an email with Sendfox Smart Campaign. If you haven't given it a shot, if you're not trying out, this is a very easy to use. You can create emails from scratch. You can create smart pages, landing pages. You can create forms. You have additional contacts, etc., etc., etc. This one is, I like it. I've been trying this one. I haven't added too many people to the email list, But as you can see, I'm actively adding new sign up, which in this one is 37 new signups, and that's something that you can gauge. So whenever it's promoted, boom, people adds to the list, and you can have that information. So with that said, my friend, if you are not paying attention to your email marketing, I highly suggest you do. Email is not dead. Doesn't matter if you're a doctor, a lawyer, doesn't matter the type of service. Email your people that are interested in your products and services. Also stay in touch with your clients. But Sendfox is not the other one. Like I said, I still use Aweber. I use MailChimp, but it's not a good practice. What I like, which one I will pick the most, what I pick right now, I will say Sendfox for sure. With that said, my friend, I hope you're having a fantastic day. The best day ever. And remember, if you have any question about email marketing, if you have something specific about email, if you just want to know anything about how to use it in your local business or your business at all, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them as clear as possible. With that said, see you in the next video. Peace out.